product composition, main unit, charging cable, power cable, ground cable, test cable set, USB disk software included, device wiring, connect the power cable. Ensure normal power supply. Connect the test cable set, positive red, negative black. Take care to tighten to the right. Then connect the test clamp to the end of the battery pack, positive red, negative black. Connect the charging cable. The other end is connect to the 3-phase power supply. Ensure normal power supply. Parameter settings. Turn on the power switch. Wait for about 3 seconds to enter the main page. Click Test Charge to enter the template setup page. Click Modify to change the parameters. Room ID set as needs. Group ID set as needs. Tester name set as needs. Allow bad sales. Set the number of faults allowed. Exceeding the set value, the device will stop and alarm. CHA max. Set the max allowable charging current. Exceeding the set value, the device will stop and alarm. Cells. Set the number of battery cells. Cell monitor. Switch of cell voltage monitoring function. Cell order based on actual wiring of number 1 battery. Modules. Set the number of cell monitoring modules used. COM mode. Generally set to WLS wireless. Interval. The interval between data recording storage. NOR cap or refer to actual battery capacity. Group volt. Select the rated voltage option for the tested battery group. Cell volt. Select the rated voltage option for the tested battery cells. CT select. Generally set to inlet internal current sensor. After setup, click Return, confirm to enter the charge test page for parameter setting. A limit, take 50 hours as an example. Time limit, HM, take 10 hours as an example. Cell high limit, V, take 2.4 volts as an example. Voltage set, V, take 72 volts battery pack as an example. The voltage high limit is 70 to *1.2 equals 86.4 volts. Current set, take 5A as an example. Then, turn on the charge switch circuit breaker. Click Start, OK to start the charge test. Data export. Insert the USB disk into the device. Click Data to enter the data management page. Select the test data and click Export, OK to export. Click ESC to exit this page and unplug the USB disk. PC software use. The zip is the installation package of the PC software. The TXT file is the data exported from the device. Copy the zip to your computer and unzip it. Open the unzipped folder and find Upper Machine System.exe. Right mouse click, Send, desktop shortcut. Then, right-click, select Run as administrator to enter the login page. Switch the language to English and enter the password 13,982. Enter the data management system and click Data Management. Click Add to import the TXT test file from the USB disk. Select the imported data and click Confirm to enter the data page. Before generating the report, we need to go through the catalog on the left side in turn. Then click Data Report. Export templates can be filled in as needed. Export documents in either Excel or Word format.